Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Divya Brahmalo Global Academy, and I am your science teacher, Vedahi ma'am. आज हम कुछ नया डिस्कस करेंगे. आई होप कि आपने पुराने वीडियोस देखे होंगे, आपने प्रीवियस होमवर्क भी किया होगा, आपने आपके आसपास के प्लांट्स को भी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा. So today we will continue with our chapter number 2 parts of a plant और उसमें आज का हम टॉपिक जो कि पढ़ने वाले हैं that is we are going to study about the leaves of the plant in detail. So dear students, this is our chapter number 2 parts of a plant in which we have studied different types of plants, trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers with so many examples. We have also studied what are roots and what is their function. Then we have discussed that there are two kinds of roots. One is taproot and the other one is fibrous root. Then we studied about the stem of the plant, this one, and its function. And there are some plants like potato and sugarcane which store extra food in their stem. ये भी हमने पढ़ा था previous video में. So in today's class we will be discussing about one more topic, that is the leaves, which is on page number 16 of your textbook. All of you please take out page number 16 and we will be discussing what the leaves are and what is their function. See, every plant has leaves of a particular size, shape and color. See here. Can you see the variety of leaves over here? See. ये देखो, ये कैसा leaf है? It is having notch over here. Whereas this is the leaf where there is difference in the color. देखो, दो color है. And this leaf, इसमें भी दो color है. आगे की side green color and here it is violet color. ये भी एक leaf है which is very much different from the other leaves. ये सारे leaves अलग हैं. अच्छा, ये identify करो तो ये leaf कौन सा है? Yes, it is नीम. ये नीम का पत्ता है. कैसे पता चला? Just by looking at the leaves you can identify कि वो कौन से plant का leaf है ना? And look here, tiny little leaf. This one, this is also very much different from the other leaves. And look at this big leaf. ये देखो कितना बड़ा leaf है. ये किसका हो सकता है leaf? Yes, it belongs to champa. So you have seen that there are variety of leaves. Some are small in size, some are very big, some are divided into small parts, है ना? And just by looking at the leaves you can identify कि वो कौन सा plant है. For example, all banana plants have the same type of leaves. ये देखो, this is the banana plant. और banana plant कहीं पर भी हो, कोई भी variety के हो, may it be a banana from Kerala or may it be a banana from Gujarat, कहीं का भी banana plant हो, leaves उनके एक जैसे ही होते हैं. banana plant का leaf क्या इस किसी भी leaf से match होता है? Yes or no? No, banana plant का जो leaf होता है that is very much different from all these leaves. You can identify a plant by its leaves. ये देखो, banana plant का leaf, jackfruit का leaf, then papaya का leaf. See, all the plants they are having different kind of leaves. मैंने भी आपको कुछ photos दिखाए है ना, real leaves मैंने आपको बताए. So this means just by looking at the leaves you can identify the plant. And one more thing is all the plants have different kind of leaves, है ना? प्लांट अलग तो उनके लीव्स का साइज, शेप, कलर भी अलग हो जाएगा. See, the flat and broad surface of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. क्या होता है leaf blade या lamina? If you observe this plant, this is the leaf और ये जो flat surface है which is green in color in case of this plant, ये वाला पूरा का पूरा जो है उसको लीफ ब्लेड बोलते हैं. द अदर नेम ऑफ लीफ ब्लेड इज लैमिना. What is lamina? Where is lamina? See, lamina is the another name for leaf blade. Leaf blade मतलब कि ये the flat surface which is green in color and which is part of plant. So this is the leaf blade and if you reverse the leaf blade, आप उसको उल्टा करोगे, so you will see a prominent line, मोटी वाली लाइन आपको दिखेगी पीछे की साइड and from that so many fine lines are emerging out. पूरे लीफ में आपको दिखेगा. What is that? Observe the back of a leaf. You will find fine lines on the entire leaf. These lines are called leaf veins. जितनी भी आपको पतली पतली फाइन लाइंस आपको दिख रही है, all these are called leaf veins which is present everywhere. See, पूरे सरफेस पे, पीछे की साइड पूरे सरफेस पे you will see so many फाइन लाइन्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड लीफ वेन्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि बड़े पत्ते में ही आपको दिखेगा. इफ़ यू हैव एनी स्मॉल लीफ, सी हियर ऑल्सो, आर यू एबल टू सी द फाइन लाइन्स? एवरीवेयर यू विल बी एबल टू सी. सी, नीम के पत्ते में भी आपको सी सो मेनी फाइन लाइन्स यू विल बी एबल टू सी एंड दीज आर नथिंग बट लीफ वेन्स. The leaf veins are actually fine tubes which carry water and food. अभी ये leaf veins जितनी भी है उनका काम क्या है? These are nothing but a kind of tube और उनका काम है water and food लेकर जाना. Whatever food is prepared by the leaves, वो सारा food ये जो veins है उसमें enter होके बाकी के plant parts में जाएगा. And whatever the water is absorbed by the roots, see, whatever the water is absorbed by the roots, it then goes to the stem and from the stem it goes to the entire leaf with the help of leaf veins. Leaf veins also provide support and shape to the leaf. हाँ, it works like a skeleton. This leaf is having a beautiful shape because these leaf veins, they are giving a support. Support in the sense ये पूरे के पूरे लीफ को ऐसे फैला के रखने का काम करते हैं एंड उसका शेप मेंटेन करने का भी काम ये लीफ वेन्स करते हैं. सो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ये लीफ जो है वो कितना फ्लैट, एकदम ब्रॉड लगता है ना. इन मोस्ट प्लांट्स द लीफ हैज़ अ मेन वेन इन द सेंटर एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड द मिडरिब. ये देखो, इट इज शोन इन द पिक्चर हियर. दिस वन इज द मिडरिब. वेयर इज द मिडरिब इन दिस केस? यस, this one is the midrib. See here, ये leaves छोटे हैं but इसमें भी midrib तो है ही. Every leaf is having a midrib. See here, this one is the midrib. What are the parts of leaf? See, this is the lamina or leaf blade and in leaf there is in the center we have midrib and midrib is also just like a pipe from which so many small pipes are attached or emerging out and these small pipes they are called leaf veins. लीफ वेन का काम क्या होता है? इट गिव्स सपोर्ट टू द लीफ, देन it acts like a tube, it carries the food and water, and वो food और water जो कि leaf vein में है वो कहाँ जाएगा? It is then going to the midrib, and midrib is then attached to the other parts of the plant. Normally stem या branch के साथ ये leaves connected होते हैं. In some plants such as grass, the leaf does not have a midrib. In such plants, all the leaf veins are arranged as straight lines. This is a leaf where you cannot find the midrib, है ना? So here in this case, जितनी भी leaf veins जो होती है, they are arranged in a straight line. Can you see, can you find the difference between this leaf and this one? ये देखो, apart from shape, यहाँ पर आपको पता चलेगा this leaf is having the midrib and leaf veins. यहाँ पर आपको ऐसी कोई midrib आपको नहीं दिखाई देगी. A leaf has many tiny pores called stomata on its surface. Leaves किससे सांस लेते हैं? Leaves are living things and living things require air to live, है ना? तो as we breathe from our nose, in the same way the leaves breathe through tiny pores present on their surface, and the name of those pores are stomata. You will need a microscope to see the stomata. Stomata are very tiny, very small. आप उसको ऐसे ही नहीं देख सकते. उसके लिए you need an instrument called microscope. See, stomata of a leaf as seen under a microscope. देखो, माइक्रोस्कोप में अगर आप देखोगे तो स्टोमेटा कुछ ऐसे होल्स जैसे आपको दिखेंगे. Now, why do plants have stomata? क्या काम है स्टोमेटा का? Plants need air to live and air enters a plant through stomata. वो आपको ये टॉपिक समझ में आ गया होगा, and in the next video we will be discussing about the question answer about this topic. ठीक है, तब तक अच्छे से जो कुछ भी आगे का हो गया है प्रिपेयर करना, और अगर कोई होमवर्क नहीं भेजा तो मुझे टाइम पे भेज देना. ओके, बाय बाय.